It's March 2022, and there are 3 tax deadlines that are upcoming that you should know so you avoid penalties from the IRS. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello from Freedom Tax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we provide quality tax and accounting services, and we help small business owners achieve their financial goals. Now, this is the 2022 tax season. It is already March. Time is going pretty fast. And there are 3 tax deadlines that if you're a business owner, you should know that are coming because you need to file or do something before these tax deadlines so you avoid penalties from the IRS. So basically, let's show the 3 upcoming tax deadlines. The first one that you need to know is March 15th, 2022. Okay, in March 15th, 2022, if your business files as an S-Corp, meaning that you file your business taxes under Form 1120S, or if you have a partnership, meaning that you file your business taxes under Form 1065, your due date is March 15th, so just a couple of days away. Okay, now, how do you know? Because we get this question a lot in Freedom Taxes. How do I know how my business files taxes? Well, the easiest way is to check your 2020 business tax return. So check your 2020 business tax return, and all you have to do is check the top left. The top left of your business tax return tells you how your business files taxes. So see here, this is an 1120S. This is for S corporations, and this is a 1065. This is for partnerships. Now consult with your CPA first, because maybe your CPA filed a tax requirement change for 2021. Even if you filed as an S-Corp or as a partnership in 2020, maybe your current CPA, maybe he changed the way your business files taxes for 2021. So you need to check with your CPA. Also, if this is your first year filing business taxes, you can also check the IRS EIN number. So if when you apply for an IRS EIN number, you get this letter from the IRS, and usually tells you right here in the middle what form your business files. So here it says Form 1065. If you are a C corporation, it is going to say 1120, and then you have the option of changing over to an S corporation. Okay, so that's the way you can check how your business files taxes. Now, also, you can change the way your business files taxes, and you still have time to change the way your business files taxes, especially, for example, if you have an LLC. Remember that the LLC has 5 different ways how you can file taxes. We're not going into detail in this video, but you can watch this video that we did a couple of months ago. It's called the 5 ways an LLC can file taxes. So if you have an LLC, depending on how you open the LLC, the IRS gives you an automatic designation for taxes, but depending on your business activity, income, and several factors, you can choose 5 different ways on how your LLC files taxes. Okay, now if you filed taxes one way in 2020, you can still change the way you file for 2021. Okay, so that is something you should be discussing with your CPA to see if you can change the way your business files taxes to get better tax benefits. Okay, now also, let's say that March 15th comes by, you still haven't filed your business tax return, the S corporations or the partnership returns that are due March 15th, file an extension. Why? Because if you file an extension, you at least have 6 more months. You have until September 15th, 2022 to file your S-Corp and partnership business tax return. You at least don't get the filing late penalty. Okay, so once again, if March 15th is very nearby, and you think you're not going to be able to file on time for your S-Corp or your partnership, you can file an extension, so that gives you more time and you avoid getting the late filing penalty with the IRS and even with the state. Okay? Now, the second upcoming tax deadline is April 18th, 2022. If your business is a C corporation, meaning that you file business taxes under Form 1120, if you're a sole proprietorship, a single member LLC, independent contractor, that you file under Schedule C, and your personal tax return, which is Form 1040, these forms are due April 18th. Now, usually it's April 15th, but this year is April 18th due to the weekend and the holiday. So it's April 18th. Okay. So once again, if you see that you're a C corporation, a Schedule C filer, or a form for your personal tax, if you think you're not going to be able to file on time, file an extension to avoid the late filing penalty. You have another 6 months, meaning you have until October 17th, 2022 to file your C corporation taxes, your Schedule C, with your personal tax return. Now, it is important to note that if you owe taxes, a payment is due by April 18th. Filing an extension saves you from getting the late filing penalty, but there are two penalties with the IRS. One is the late filing penalty, and the other one is the late payment penalty. The extension does not cover the late payment penalty. Okay, so if you file an extension to avoid the April 18th tax filing deadline, we recommend that you file the extension with an estimated payment so you don't get the late payment penalty. Okay. Also, the third tax deadline is May 16th, 2022, and this is more for nonprofits. Depending on your nonprofit revenue, depending on how your nonprofit is structured, then your nonprofit needs to file one of these three forms: the 990N, the 990EZ, or the 990, and those are due May 16th, 2022. Okay, so if you need any help with your personal taxes, business taxes, payroll, bookkeeping, opening up a business, trouble with the IRS, we can help you with everything. Even if you're not in Florida, because we're based in Florida, we are authorized to do tax work for corporations and individuals in all 50 states. This is our contact information, and we will gladly help in your tax work. Also, remember that we are part of Freedom Group. We are a group of 4 companies where we do tax, accounting, immigration, real estate, insurance, and financial planning, so we can help you in many, many ways. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have received valuable information in this video. If you have, like it and share it with someone that can take advantage of this information. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.